Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about some Boost Mobile deals that they have going on for the holidays on their website. So it's about 3 of them. So let's get into it, guys. Gonna be a quick little short video just for you guys. So if you go to boostmobile.com right now, you can get basically an Alcatel Link Zone 2 plus 2 gigabytes of data for $15 a month. So of course that's a hotspot. That's a mobile hotspot, guys. And it's of course saying you can get it free. Remember, this is the hotspot. It's the Alcatel Link Zone 2. You can get that for free, plus 2 gigabytes of data for $15 a month, which is actually pretty good. Now, 2 gigs, I'm gonna blow through that in like probably like a day or two. You know what I mean? Watch some anime or something like that. You're gonna go through that. So, but I could see this. I mean, it's not bad. You're getting the free. You can up the data probably later on. So let's get into it. So it says it's free 2-in-1 internet hotspot plus power bank. So that's what it is. It acts as a power bank as well. So $15 a month is 2 gigabytes 4G LTE data. Free shipping, only $15 a month. That's a 76% savings. So you save $50. That's how much the Alcatel hotspot is. So it says, see if your location qualifies. You have to enter your zip code, your email, and check availability. It says by agreeing, by clicking, you can agree to the terms and conditions. Limited 1 hotspot per customer. Restrictions do apply. New customers only. After your first month, you will get $15 a month. So it says internet hotspot plus power bank. Stay connected and charged. Now this Wi-Fi connects up to 16 devices. Charged up with a 4,400 milliamp battery, portable and lightweight. Same thing, you have to check availability. I'm guessing they'll probably try to push you to a store. Link Zone Alcatel hotspot is, like I said, limited to 1 per customer. Sorry, it's my son. But it says stay connected for up to 24 hours with a long-lasting 4,400 milliamp battery. Easy web management tool. So pretty cool. Supports connectivity up to 16 devices. Nice sleek design. Works as a power bank just in case you have it and you're not using it and your phone's dying. You can charge it up. Portable and lightweight. Here's all the specs on it. Like I said, it's 1 gig of RAM, 2 gigabytes of ROM, Linux 3.10 operating system. Whoa. Power bank. There's display and everything. And of course, it does use America's largest 5G network, even though it's not 5G. Now, that one was, like I said, quick video for you guys. Don't want to waste too much of your time. So, back to the holidays. You can get a tablet. Yep, get a free tablet with a Boost data bundle. Same thing. And like I said, they really want you to check your location. I don't know what's up with that, but free TCL tablet. So it's a TCL tablet holiday sale. $90 for 6 months of data, guys. It's 5G. Or 5 gigabytes a month. So that $90 will get you 6 months of data, and that's only 5 gigs of data, which should be plenty for a tablet. I think that should be reasonable. Free shipping, only $90. So pretty cool. Sorry about that. I got distracted again. Family stuff. Can't really film sometimes, but it's alright. So it says free TCL tablet, guys. $90 a month for 6 months. Like I said, free shipping. Now it says savings of 66% off. You're saving $180 on the tablet. So only $90. Of course, same thing. Limited 1 tablet per customers. Restrictions do apply. New customers only. So these are only new customers. They're really trying to attract a lot of customers because they are bleeding customers. All right. Try again. So yep, like I said, they're really trying to attract new customers. So let's go back to see the last one. Like I said, it's the holidays, guys. Christmas around the corner. So yeah, a lot of family stuff. New customers only. Like I said, emphasize new customers only. Edge Plus now $450 off. Really cool, actually. It's nice actual price for a phone. So let's go ahead and see. It's $450 off. So this phone, 512 gigabytes, God. So Edge Plus, Cosmos. This phone is $750. You can get it right now for $300, $299.99. That's $450 off. Check availability. Like I said, that usually you can buy it from from online, but right now they're really trying to emphasize that you checking out to see if your local store has one. So really nice, triple camera setup and 50 megapixel rear camera. Really nice, big Motorola. It is, of course, I believe, a 5G, especially for that price point. So overall, it's really nice. 38 hours of talk, Android 12, 50 megapixel camera, screen's a 6.7 inch. So the new Motorola Edge, wow. So of course this does have, it looks like Snapdragon. Yep, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform delivers industry leading performance and AI enhancement photography. So really nice, speedy and efficient. Ample storage. I mean, it's half a terabyte, should I say? So lots of it. Blazing fast 5G 3 and Wi-Fi 6E4. Ooh, enjoy the industry's fastest data speed. So that's pretty nice. Focus on the moment. 50 megapixel ultra wide and macro. Fit more of your world in the frame and don't lose quality when doing so. Plus zoom in for extreme close-ups and get 4 times closer to your subject. Wow. So pretty nice. Ooh, oh, it's actually what? So I didn't even see that. So 50 megapixels of ultra wide macro. 108 megapixels is the main one. What the heck? So we'll get to that in just a little bit. At least that's what it says. So actually, look at this. This might be a typo here. It says 100 megapixel. But it's actually 50, so that might be a little typo there. So it says it does have HDR10 plus, focus on moment. So it says take incredible vivid photos and record HDR10 plus videos in breathtaking color with a triple high resolution camera. 50 megapixel main, so that's, see, I was right, 50 megapixels. I'm like, there's no way this thing has 108. So look, 50, and then that says 108. So there you go, typo, Boost Mobile, and or if they just got this from Motorola's marketing department. Depth sensor, so it's really nice, but the main camera says shoot your sharpest, brightest photos ever with instant all pixel focus for incredible crisp photos in any light. Depth sensor, of course, this helps give you the natural looking background blur, so that little bokeh effect does look pretty cool. The front is a 60 megapixel selfie. Whoa, so the front's better than main. It says take ultra high res selfies with quad pixel technology that combines 4 pixels into 1 better low light sensitivity. And of course the main one is the 50 megapixels. This is the main one, and then of course the front is 60, which is pretty cool. 50 megapixel ultra wide, which is nice, and a macro. Look at that, 50 megapixel macro looks amazing as well. So overall, they're not cheap now. Most phones have a main of 50, then the rest, the macro or the ultra wide, are like 12 or something like that. It says your shots come out clear and unshaken with OIS, optical image stabilization. Really nice. Really good in low light. So overall, this is a really nice phone. Now, ultra high def video and audio. It says 6.7 OLED. Ooh, looking at that TV technology. See deeper blacks and brighter colors in crystal clarity. 144 Hz and HDR10 plus. Ooh, 2 times stereo speakers. Qualcomm Snapdragon sound. So overall, I'm really interested in this phone. I'm not gonna lie. I consume a lot of video. And just a lot of videos. I watch a lot of anime, YouTube, Netflix, whatever you have it, and so I do like a good quality screen. So that might be pretty good. So overall, it's nice, guys. It has all these other stuff, big nice screens and quality. So 6.7 Max Vision OLED display, batteries 4,800 milliamp battery, not removable. That could have been probably bigger, like 5,000. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform, Android 12. The camera is 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth, 60 megapixel front camera, 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. Whoa. So it includes all this: turbo power 30 watt charging, wire documentation, the phone, and USB-C cable. So overall, guys, I think this is a solid go. You can check availability and see if they have it maybe at your local store. But overall, I think it's definitely a win. So please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think. A lot more your way.